As the leading provider of fire and life safety essentials, we have continued to evolve based on your changing needs and realities in today's world. One of our biggest projects has been to enhance our website. The key to this improvement has been to provide you with a website that is easier and faster for you to find the information, resources, products, and services for your fire and life safety compliance needs. We've achieved this by updating our categories and products to make them easier to search, as well as adding in product series, and now product add-ons. Product add-ons allow you to customize a product to meet your specifications. In the case of tactile stairwell signage, product add-ons allow you to tell us how many signs you need and what wording, characters, or numbers you would like to include. For example, this SI12T sign comes in 4 different material options and can include 2 to 6 characters. In the text box, you can specify how many signs you want of a specific material and character amount, and then customize the characters on each sign. So, if you were to choose photoluminescent signs with 2 characters, you can specify that you want 6 that are for floor 1 and stairwell A. If you want signs for other floors and stairwells, you can add more by separating the next option with a comma, like a list. So, you can have 6 signs that are for floor 1, stairwell A, and then 3 signs for floor 2, stairwell B. Be sure to adjust the quantity to account for the number of signs that you're ordering. If you want signs with a different material or character amount, you will first have to add the signs you already specified to your cart so that you can change the specifications for the other signs you would like to order. Other tactile signs will have different specifications for requesting add-ons. Please refer to the instructions above the text box. We are continuing to expand our product add-ons, so keep an eye on our website and newsletter for more. Also, be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and feel free to call or email us anytime.